Hi everybody, and welcome to True Wants, where here we try to help you make that decision if it's going to change from a want to a need. If you are new to my channel, I really hope you will choose to subscribe. It's free and it's easy. It's the red button you see right underneath this video. If you press it and it turns gray, you're in. It's that simple. There's also a bell beside that subscribe button, and I always recommend that you press it. It's called the notification bell. And what ends up happening is YouTube will notify you just once that I uploaded a brand new video. I do upload a lot, and sometimes my videos are time sensitive, so I don't want you to miss out. So make sure to press that subscribe button, ring that bell, and you'll be all set. Also, right underneath the video, there is a thumbs up. That's important on the YouTube platform, so if you're enjoying my content, please take a second to hit that thumbs up. It helps me grow, supposedly, on the YouTube platform. The more thumbs up you get, supposedly, YouTube then puts my videos in front of other people that enjoy this type of content. They just haven't had the opportunity to meet me yet because it is such a large platform. So once again, that thumbs up, I appreciate it. All right, today I have some news, some not so good and something exciting. So, as you know, I've had the opportunity to get the Brandefy box a couple of times. And they were, I think it was after IPSI, I'm not sure which one, but they were one of the first people to reach out and offer me the PR, the box for PR. As you know, on my channel, in reference to PR, I only take on PR or gifted to me type of products if it's something of interest to me and I think it would also be of interest to you. That's how I choose what's going to show up on my platform, which is True Wants, to share with you guys. I got an email this morning, and first of all, I want to thank everybody because Brandefy for me was an absolute find, and the way that they were letting us choose products, you know, through text message, it was so unique and so interesting that I couldn't wait to share it with you. And I found this on my own through Instagram. This is, I think, my third box, so I've been receiving it for a while, and then only on this most recent box did they, send out the PR. So when I had the opportunity to share it with you guys saw what I saw, which was an amazing box for an amazing price. But the sad news is today I received an email from Brandefy, and they are going to be discontinuing the box. And if you're like me, these less expensive boxes that are like $15, which this Brandefy box was, and like I said, we got 4 full-size items in here, and it was just a fantastic box, and you were able to choose between the two, and to me, the two choices they gave were both winners. So to me, this box was an absolute winner. With what's going on in the world today, and it's something maybe as a business owner, I see it clearer, is that a $15 box is not attainable. The prices that you have to pay, and even if you got the products, at a reduced cost or even for free, the shipping alone to send a box out across the USA, including the packaging, having somebody put it all together and all that, it could cost $15 before you even put an item in the box. So these numbers are not attainable. The problem is that a lot of us are so used to getting these phenomenal deals that a lot of these boxes that are ones that would really fit into our world can't compete or be able to make money. What was ironic is Brandefy was set up in an incubator, and what that means, it was outside money that was coming in with this great idea and this great plan. If a company like that, is sending out a letter, saying that they can't do this anymore, it's just really disappointing, because this box to me could have been, if they would have raised this another $5 or even another $10, it still would have been an amazing box. The whole concept was different than everybody else. The fact that it was dupe items was different than everybody else. It isn't, to me, this is going to be a real loss. To me, this was really innovative. I couldn't wait to be part of it, to be able to share it with you. I didn't get sponsored or anything. They just sent me a box, and they offered me that if I wanted to cancel my membership and just get the PR box, and I said no, I want to support the business, and I kept my box, and I accepted the PR box to be able to show it to you guys right when the season was beginning. And so many of you, because it's not through links or any of that, there was no compensation anywhere, it was just my true love for this and wanting to share it with you guys. And so many of you have written to me that you got the box and you loved the box as much as I did. And then I saw a lot of you open it up on the box and you weren't sure, who told you about it or how you found out about it. And sometimes it was a friend of yours that opened it up on their channel and you saw it on their channel, and so on and so forth. It just was fantastic. I really saw the momentum going in a great direction. So when I received this letter today, I was really heartbroken. And it simply says, we hope you're loving your picks from the Spring Bright Beauty Box. We're here to share some important news regarding the BBF. Unfortunately, we've decided to say goodbye to the Big Faves box. We are thankful to all of our supporters for bringing some of our favorite products to you. Brandefy is moving on to new things, but we will continue to be here to help the best affordable products and dupes through their app, which is on Brandefy. So the quarterly subscribers, your subscription and all future reoccurring payments will be canceled. Starting today, April 21st, our team will begin issuing refunds remaining on the 3 boxes left in all the memberships. Please allow for this refund to be processed. The time frame for refunds will vary with your bank. If you have any questions, you can write to hello@brandefyapp.com, or you can call them, and they have a phone number here, and I'll leave those both down below. Again, they said they're thankful for the support from the community. They can't wait to share their next chapter of Brandefy with all of us. But that is their app it's a fantastic app that does all these dupes and things like that. So I definitely wanted to sit down and share that with you guys. My heart, like I said, is a little bit broken, but it's always broken with any business that, has to make that hard decision of closing a door when it's just not financially feasible to do. So like I said, I was happy that I was able to be a part of it. It was exciting for me as a smaller channel to be recognized by a company, period. So for me, that was exciting. But to be able to share it with you when I find something that I enjoy, and then you guys grab on with both hands and you take that ride with me, I want to thank you all for that. So as you know, when I talk about any other business on my channel, there's no relationship with them as for dollars and cents right now. So for me, if I talk to you about my business that I have with my brother, Improving Lifestyles and things like that, that's one that, I stand behind and whatever. When something like this happens, I get an email, and I'm sure a lot of you who have a subscription with them got the same email, but I wanted to sit down and share with you about this in case you were thinking about getting on board, or, you're seeing videos a little bit later and you don't understand why, so that you can't get the box. So I just wanted to share that with you guys. Please leave in the comments down below if you received this email, also how you feel about it, how you feel about all these boxes that were $15 just can't be there for us anymore. So I just would love to know your feedback on that. Positive news. I received the Allure magazine, which I tell you, I love getting magazines. I'm still the girl who loves sitting in the bath, and the magazine does not look like this when I'm finished with my bath. The pages are all bubbled over. If you're a girl who likes to read in the bathtub, you'll understand what I mean by that. But Allure used to give me sneak peeks of what was going to be in the next month's box, and they're not doing it anymore. What they're putting in the next month's, because this magazine is for May. What they're putting in is what was in the April box. I used to love getting the sneak peeks of what was going to be in the May box, because then it helped us also make a decision if you're month to month, if you wanted to continue with the box. As you know, with Allure, I am on the yearly that I was able to lock in at the $15, and that's going to be over in the summer, and then I'm going to decide what I'm going to do with the Allure box. But normally I am month to month with majority of my my subscriptions. But when you get the box through Allure and not through Amazon, because you can do both, And I used to get it through Amazon.com, but when you get it through Allure, you also get access to these limited edition boxes that usually come in these cute little red boxes. I always keep these because these are those hard shell boxes that I absolutely loved from Allure. They're going to be doing, they gave a sneak peek of something that's going to be happening, so I want to make sure that you guys know about it. It's called the limited edition J Beauty and K Beauty box. They've done a K Beauty box before and it was absolutely fantastic, but this one is going to be over $200 value. The Allure Beauty Box member will pay a price of $40 and the non-members will pay $60, so it's available to everybody. This box is only going to be available starting to go on sale on May 17th. So I'm just giving you a heads up. Once I was doing this news that I just received, I was planning on doing this video, you know, just showing you the pictures and everything, which I will do here, up close here. But normally I sit down with the camera solely going through this, but that's what all the items look like there. And then I'm just going to read to you, if I can, the fine print that's on the bottom here. And hopefully I stay in frame if I can do this properly. So this is the limited edition box, includes a Peach and Lily Glass Skin Refining Serum in the full size, an AHC Essentials Real Eye Cream for the face, also full size. They have a Saturday Skin Rub-a-Dub Refining Pill Gel, also full size. They have the Sul Wasu First Came Activating Serum. I think that will be a deluxe size. They have the UZ Eye Opening Liner. They're saying that's also full size. They have the More Pacific Time Response Eye Cream. I think that will be the deluxe sample size because that's an expensive product. They also have a Clean It Zero Pore, it's from Vanilla, B-A-N-I-L-A company, Clean It Zero Pore Clarifying Cleansing Balm. They have, which will also I think be a sample size, they have the Amuse Dew Tint. They're saying that will be full size and that will be available in 1 of 4 shades. And then they have from Nature Lab the Tokyo Perfective Shine Oil Mist. And then from Honey Jared, the Super Beautiful Mask Rose Sheet Mask. And that's one that I've enjoyed as well. So I'm just going to try to bring this as up close as I can. So there's your AHA, your Peach and Lily, your Saturday Skin. There's the pencil. These two I think are going to be sample size, including that one there. Everything else I think, oh, including this one too, is sample size. This is what the one they said they're going to get it in 4 different colors, and this is the sheet mask that we just talked about. So this is going to be going on sale, like I said, on May 17th. I just wanted to give you guys a heads up. That's why I love getting the magazine, because usually it gives us some information ahead of time. Like I said, I used to love getting to know what was going to be in the boxes and sharing that with you guys, but they're not showing it in the magazines anymore. But there is that limited edition. So wanted to leave this video on a positive note. Please share with me down below if you're interested in that limited edition, if you're planning on getting it. I would love to know. As always, as you know, I appreciate that you guys take any time out of your day that you choose to spend it with me here, so thank you. But more importantly, during this time, it is so important that I end all my videos that we all continue to stay safe so that we can all stay well and enjoy a little more. See you soon in my next video. Bye for now.